Hey there, welcome to another episode of Hang Out with me in my kitchen space. In today's episode, let's make some lemon chocolate chip cookies, and I'm pretty sure this is going to slap very hard. I've also made a similar recipe where I made some chocolate chip cookies using the vanilla essence, and you should also check that out. And for today, these are the list of ingredients that I have. I have my all-purpose flour, I have my chocolate bar, I have some sugar, my lemon essence, some margarine, an egg, baking soda, and some salt. And the exact quantities are going to be listed in the description box. Please check that out. And without further ado, let's get started. So this is such a simple recipe, and I'll start off by mixing my baking soda, some salt, and my all-purpose flour. Then once I'm happy with this, I'm going to set it aside. Then I'll add in my margarine. You can also use butter. And then I'm going to beat this together with my sugar. Once I'm happy with that, I'll break in my egg. And I'm also going to add in a few drops of my lemon essence. And this lemon essence is very flavorful and it's also concentrated. So I'll just go in with about 1/4 to 1/3 of a teaspoon, and that should be enough. Then I'm going to mix this. And always remember to scrape off the sides of your bowl. And you can smell the lemons inside this kitchen. Then at this point, I'll go in with my flour. Then I'm going to mix this till everything comes in together. Then once everything comes in together, we should stop at that point. And I'm now going to chop my chocolate bar into relatively small sizes. You can see how beautiful this looks like. And also yummy and also color. So today I did not have the energy to make some chocolate chips, but if at all you do, please check out my other episode, and I have explained very well how to make some chocolate chips at home. We have about 1/2 cup of the chocolate bars, and cut them into different sizes, and we are going to add them in here, but I'm going to set aside just a small portion. And then we can add in our chocolate. And once I'm happy with this, I'm going to cover it with my cling film, and I'm going to set it in the fridge for about 20 or 30 minutes so that it can chill and become cold. This is about 30 minutes later, and my dough is cold enough, and I'm going to basically make balls and then line them on my parchment paper. But if at all you do not have a parchment paper, you can always grease your baking tin with some oil and dust it with some all-purpose flour. Then you remember we set aside some chocolate. Now we are going to put this on top. Then I'm going to bake this in an oven that has been preheating at 170 degrees for about 10 to 12 minutes. And as you've seen, it was that easy preparing these giant lemon chocolate chip cookies. And that batch makes about 12 medium giant cookies, and you can see how beautiful they look. So we're also going to look at the inside. Wow, this is legit. Wow. This is just amazing. You can see how beautiful they look like. You can also see the even distribution of the chocolate inside and also outside. And this is a very legit recipe. Try it out, and I hope you enjoyed. I also hope you learned something new. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't. And I'll definitely see you in the next one. Bye.